To introduce our keynote panel, please welcome Turjeman, CEO at Castify.
Morning, everyone. Mark, you were mentioning before the year-on-year growth of the OTT.X conferences, and I must say that the fact that I made the decision to do the 14 hours flight from Tel Aviv to here stands to actually prove that. So I'll keep my presentation short. They only gave me 3 minutes. And I'll be talking about transforming content into revenue and mainly, the CTV-based performance TV campaign. But before we start, just a quick introduction into Castify. We're an Israeli company, a product company. We build, onboard, distribute, and run CTV apps and fast channels using our own proprietary app builder, playout, and SSAI solution. But we also know how to monetize our content partners, and not only our content partners, but third party with advanced and innovative solutions. So that's in short about Castify. Talking about performance TV ecosystem, and I'm sure you all heard about it recently or over the last year or even 2 years. CTV is predicted to be the fastest growing advertising medium of 2023, but I'm sure you already know that. Performance TV is predicted to be a main driver for this growth. So there are several definitions to performance TV. In short, it gives marketers the capability to deliver targeted, measurable TV ads. The ecosystem is complex, involves data players, MMPs that monitor the funnel and the attribution, content platforms, and obviously advertisers. The good news is that companies like Castify can put some order into it and manage the flow while adding its own added value. Just some interesting facts from our partners at Adjust. We at Castify work closely with our partners at Adjust as NMP platforms. And here are some of the facts that might help you understand the market size and the performance. So in terms of mobile app user acquisition, 40% of the mobile app installs are attributed directly or indirectly to CTV campaign. There's over 500 million monthly impressions of CTV performance campaign only done by Adjust, partly with us. And on a recent retargeting campaign we did together with Adjust, which is relatively new for us. We were focused on CTV to mobile user acquisition, but we started doing retargeting as well. And we saw an uplift of roughly 7 reattribution, if you like, per CPM, which is good results. Again, depends on the CPM you're charging, but still, if you compare it to the mobile industry, that's good results. And like I said before, within performance TV, we choose to focus on mobile app user acquisition and retargeting of mobile app inactive users, if you like. And the potential there is huge. We're talking about hundreds of billions spent each year on mobile user acquisition. CTV advertising offers a different approach and have the potential to attract at least some of those ad dollars. And I think that's something we all want. So how does it work? First, we run a CTV campaign, as you can see on the slide. But then we need to accurately contribute the outcome of such campaign to a user acquisition or retargeting. We focus on what is called device graph matching, which is the process of identifying, and connecting multiple devices associated with a single user or household. For example, if we have the mobile device ad ID and the IP address that are associated with that specific mobile device, and from the other hand, we have the connected TV app IP address, we can match between them and find out if a mobile user downloaded a specific app within a given time frame. The advantages both for the content player and for the advertisers are huge. It's basically a win-win for both sides. Content owners get to have higher demand, higher yield, diversity and relevance, and a better ad experience for their viewers, while advertisers gain wider reach to core audience, high engagement, measurable, cost-effective, and lastly, branding. They can enjoy the fact that it's on the TV screen, mainly in the living room, and gain the branding on their campaigns as well as the performance side. So my last slide will be about the insight for the content player, and I'll keep it short. Performance TV is on the rise. You shouldn't miss the party. You should know that the ecosystem is complex, so you have to pick and select the right partners. That's all from me today. Thanks you for listening, and I'm happy